time to make a new rear panel for my Prius. The old one was only 1/2 inch thick plywood and it broke from the weight of my heavy equipment in here. And that's what I'm doing right now, using the old one as a template. I usually have 800 plus pounds of heavy equipment back here, tools, and over the last couple of years of bouncing around and stuff like that, it literally started busting the plywood. So here's the new plywood, 5/8. Just started cutting it out. The original templates were made out of cardboard, and so I don't have those no more, but I have the original wood. And so this is what basically you can see where I traced out. And as you come over here, I left in, this is actually, you don't want to remove this because this is part of your, say, your safety frame. This is like a tube frame that connects from one half of the vehicle to the other half of the vehicle for a side impact collision. This is not just a simple little support for your seats. So you want to leave that in. I left that in and I actually incorporated it. As you can see, I attached to where the seats would be attached for the head posts, and I just attached this board to it, so that could make for the angle. You can make it level. You could have your platform come up like this. I prefer my platform to raise a little bit in the front, not be level, because when you hit on the brakes, you know, having something slightly upwards, just an inch or two, and it's easier to pull back out, and it comes back level with the lip of the seal up there. So this was my route of reusing this and put it to some structural use and have something easy to tie into. And to get all the room I had, I put my seats back to where it was comfortable. Then I cut out a board that goes right here, and it goes up like this. But this time I actually want to incorporate, instead of having separate stereo speakers or subwoofers, I'm taking an old system out of another car, putting it in here, and I'm actually going to incorporate some of the box as part of a sealed box subwoofer for my JL system. Remake it better than it was before. And that's it on it. And then I'll do an uptake. Oh, and then this paneling, you have this like PVC paneling, it's kind of stippled, a little smooth, but you know, kind of chemical resistant, spill resistant. This will get traced out and cut, and it'll be placed on top of the wood to give a nice clean surface that could be cleaned up easy. All right, we'll catch up on the next video, and should be showing you laying it in, show how it's attached.